So people just have to understand the environment in which we are. I may not like it and I wished it were different, but it is the reality.
Because I was thinking about this. I read in the paper you and your husband went to see Oklahoma the other night, the play. I can only imagine what the hell that must be like for you when you decide to go see a Broadway show.
Right.
Like, in other words, probably more people are watching you and Bill than probably more people are watching you and Bill. And I'm thinking about the Secret Service and everything else. You have to announce to someone, I'm going to go see Oklahoma the play.
Right.
And then they have
yeah. Then they make a big deal out of it.
I know. I feel like I need to give you a cough drop or something.
I got one.
You okay?
Thanks. Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah. Even that, I remember, if you even coughed when you were on the campaign, they said you were dying. You were dying. You can't even cough.
I know. I thought I'd come on.
Yeah.
And cough some more.
No, but I was thinking like you. I just read in the paper you're going out to a play with your husband. And then I'm thinking, I wonder what the whole preparation is for that. Like, you guys must have to announce to Secret Service you're going.
Right.
They got to go a couple of days in advance, start to look over the theater. Then when you show up, if you don't stay afterwards and congratulate the cast, then you're being an asshole. And then if you don't go backstage and take pictures with every single person there, then you're even a bigger jerk. Like, it must be a whole to-do when you go. It's almost like you and your husband are like, and I think about this with the Obamas. You guys are like the Rolling Stones or like Led Zeppelin or something. You're super well known.
Right.
Your face is known everywhere. Everyone knows who you are, and every move is scrutinized. It must be insane.
Well, you get used to it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I don't mind it.
Do you do anything that's normal? Can you ever, like, I always see in movies with the Secret Service, they always go, it's such a pain in the ass, and then somewhere in the movie, they sneak out to get away from the Secret Service and all that.
Well, we've done that.
You have?
I'm sure.
Like in other words, you trick them and you go out on your own.
No, not very often, but it's happened in the last 25 years.
Right. Mm-hmm. And you and you sneak out for the night. And do they yell at you afterwards?
Well, not for the whole night.
Right.
Because we don't have our own cars anymore.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So they drive you everywhere.
They drive us everywhere.
I was thinking about this. I don't know what your father was like. I've only read one word, that he was gruff, and to me that doesn't sound very good. But I would imagine once you get to your level,
right,
and once you have Secret Service all the time, and once you have these guys kind of taking care of you, they're almost like the fathers that weren't good to you. They worry about your every move. They worry about your safety. They drive you. You almost become infantilized in a sense.
You've got to fight against it. I mean, again, I think that's pretty perceptive. Your therapy really